I call this tessellation FoldFest fun because I designed it by receiving random input to questions that I asked from Jonathan Snyder at FoldFest. Shout out to Origami USA. So this tessellation has a pretty broad repeat structure. You can see I'm only getting 6 repeats around the center. And it was designed by saying, okay, central hexagon, open or closed? Open. What's next, a triangle or a rhombus? Triangle. On the same or opposite side as the hexagon? Opposite. Closed or open? Closed. What's next, hexagon or rhombus? Rhombus. On the same or opposite side of the hexagon? Same. Open or closed? Open. Then do you want that rhombus to be a position of twofold rotational symmetry, which was a pattern that I already had, annuli, or do you want to use a cluster of 4 triangle twists to expand the symmetry, put that threefold position in the cluster of 4 triangles? Yeah, let's expand the symmetry. And then I had a menu of like 4 different options for what that triangle cluster could be, where the pleats matched up. And we chose this one because it matches well and gets good density, makes good use of the grid to get all of our repeats.